Hello everyone, this is Gigi from 𝗀𝗏 Life, and I hope you are all having a wonderful day. Today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you guys. It's a very popular item once again. I'm just going to dive right in. Let's check it out. So it comes with this beautiful ribbon. A lot of times they don't give me the ribbon, so I was really happy that I did this time. So yeah, pretty exciting. I wanted to point out that I really like Louis Vuitton's new box. This has been around for a while now, but compared to the old brown box, I really prefer this one because I travel a lot, and a lot of times I would shop while I'm traveling. So I really appreciate this collapsible box that it's just much easier for me to bring around. Okay, so let's dive right in. So I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. Oh wow, they tied this knot really okay. So this item took me a while to get. It was really exciting. I'm just gonna open it and we can talk more about it. So as you can see, it comes in this beautiful Louis Vuitton dust bag. This one is also very hard to get, and it will be available for sale. So check it out. Ta-da! It's the famous Pochette Metis. It's absolutely gorgeous. This item is also very difficult to find. I'm sure most of you know. Whoever are into Louis Vuitton knows that this bag has been really popular for a few years now. And the price actually just keeps on going up. I think when I first saw it a few years ago, that was like few $100s less before. On top of that, these are always selling at a premium because it's very difficult to obtain. And let's see. So this bag is, the reason why it's amazing is because it's very functional. So you can see that there are different dividers in here. It comes with a removable strap, a canvas strap. So it's very carefree, other than the vachetta leather up here. But once you wait for it to patina a bit, it's actually pretty carefree. And it comes with the new style zipper pull. So the old one, I believe, had the leather pull on it. And the inside comes with microfiber lining. Let's see where this is made of. This item is made in Spain, I believe. So let's see. And I love that, once again, all the protective stickers still intact. Let's check it out. Looks good. I'm gonna double check. I know people have been requesting this a lot. So I sold quite a few of these, and recently I came across this one, so I just picked it up and see if anyone is interested. If not, I may return it, or we'll see. We'll figure it out. Alrighty, so let's see. So there are three compartments. It's 1, 2, 3. You can put a lot of things in here. And let's see. So it comes in the monogram print, which is the most popular print, I think, for Louis Vuitton. But I personally actually really love the 𝗵𝗍𝗡 print. Comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite print from Louis Vuitton. I'm very curious to see. So a lot of you might not know this, but the original print from Louis Vuitton is actually 𝗵𝗍𝗡, which is the dark brown checker print. And that actually is their first print, which is very surprising because most people know Louis Vuitton through the monogram print, right? So for me, I actually really like 𝗵𝗍𝗡 because I'm very kind of low-key a lot of times, or I would like to be low-key or have that option. So I think 𝗵𝗍𝗡 is a little bit low-key, and also I do mainly really love the treated leather, because I like to keep my bags really nice and pristine. So sometimes when there's a lot of vachetta leather, I freak out. But for this bag, it's really not a lot. So I'm not too worried about this. People own this and love it, and it looks great. And some people actually put twillies on top of this, which I would recommend too, because it's just, it looks nice and it protects the bag, right? So, those little scarves. And I think this bag is very beautiful. It looks like a really well designed bag. It's like, it looks like professional. You look, I mean, I don't know, you can use it like casual or professional, like a little briefcase. You could take the strap off or keep it on. See, it comes, and it's also adjustable strap, so that is like extra bonus point. And what I like to do is, I think it's nice to have this bag because you can use the strap on literally any bag if you wanted to, from Louis Vuitton or other things. Or if you have like a pochette accessory, which is another item that's super hard to find, you can actually just use a strap and then it will be great. So I love this bag myself. Oh, not to mention there's a back zipper pocket. It's very, very functional. You can use this in so many different ways. And yeah, I mean, I would highly recommend this bag. The people I know have it seem to really, really enjoy it. And I think it's a very classic silhouette that you can probably wear forever. I mean, at first I wasn't really sure, but then it's been around for so long. And like I said, the silhouette is very classic. It comes in the classic monogram print, which is never going to go out of style. It's been around for, I don't know, since 1930s. So a very, very long time, nearly 100 years now. So I think you'll be fine with, you know, having this as a good investment piece and just something that is very, very classic and also very functional. And I did mention before that you guys know that I really love things that are very versatile, and this is one of those bags. Like, I love that you can carry it like a briefcase, you can carry it on your shoulder or carry it crossbody, or you could change the strap out if you want to change it to something else. And it's just really gorgeous, honestly. And I mean, I think I actually do think this this is really pretty, the way you close it. It's like, it's actually like the trunk. It's like the Louis Vuitton trunk. So it's really nice to have that little piece that, you know, Louis Vuitton started with making trunks, and those are actually very, very expensive, like super expensive these days. So it's nice to be able to own something that is kind of like from the Louis Vuitton heritage on a bag. So you kind of get like little elements from it without paying the thousands of dollars. And I'm not even sure exactly how much. A lot of them, even vintage ones I saw some vintage one that was selling for like 10,000 or something. So it's very expensive because they've been around for so long, and they're really kind of like a definitely collector's piece. So I think it's nice that you can own this and then have that little element in here. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. And let me know if you guys have any questions, comment down below, or any comments. Oh, and remember to answer me, what is your favorite print from Louis Vuitton? Is it monogram? Is it 𝗵𝗍𝗍, which is the light checker print, or like the light beigey checker print, or is it the dark brown 𝗵𝗍𝗍? Comment down below. I'm very curious to learn. Me personally is between monogram and 𝗵𝗍𝗍. I think 𝗵𝗍𝗍 for me is just like, I love the treated leather, but monogram, you just can't go wrong with monogram. It's quintessential Louis Vuitton, right? When you see this, you know what it is. So you can never go wrong with monogram. But I do love the other prints too. And there are also other little prints like graphite or other things, but anyway, let me know. I'm really curious to learn. So again, thank you all so much for watching my video. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Press that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell button so that you can get notified with any new videos. And also, please like this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I actually do plan on making more and more videos going forward. I plan on releasing a video once a week. That is my goal, because during this whole COVID-19 situation, I had a lot more time being at home, and luckily I have a lot of goodies I'm able to share, either through my own collection, or just something I picked up for a client friend, or something that, I picked up because I think it's amazing. And just, yeah, I think I have a lot of things I could share with you guys. And also just in the future, when I can start traveling again, maybe I could bring you guys around the world to check out what I see. So I would love to share more things and more fun things with you guys. Well, this bag is again for sale. If you are interested, please send me an email at 𝗀𝗏𝗡𝐿ife@gmail.com or direct message me on Instagram at 𝗀𝗏𝗡𝐿ife. Also, if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, please do. I really appreciate it and look forward to talking to you guys. If you guys have any questions or any video requests, things like that, please feel free to comment down below or send me a direct message, and I would love to get to know you. Okay, that's all I have for you all today. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Take care. Bye.